So this is Tilly. She is the new member of our family. She's 11 weeks old and she's a tortoiseshell kitten. She is so cute, but she is a little pain in the butt at the minute. She is into everything. So I'm going to let her get down. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you what I picked up in B&M and what I picked up in Poundland. Now if you are new to my channel, you don't know who I am, my name is Tracy. I upload lifestyle, makeup tutorials, come shopping with me, hauls, all that good stuff. So if you're interested in any of that, hit that little subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell as well because that tells you when I next upload. Now onto the haul. Now basically my reason for going into Poundland this week is because I am doing my garden up, guys. So I just wanted to get some nice plant potters, some nice ornaments and stuff like that, and they did not disappoint me. Poundland's got your back. Picked up some really nice stuff. I don't want to sit here jibber jabbering. I want to get straight into the haul. So without further ado, guys, let's see what I picked up in Poundland and B&M. So the first thing I see when I walked into oh, my chair's bought. So the first thing I see when I walked into Poundland is this massive plant potter. I don't even know if I can get it on screen, but it's this massive plant potter, and I want this to go in like the corner of my garden. I'm going to have some really nice flowers going on in here, and I just thought it'd be a real feature in my garden. This was £1. Like, what can I say? It's massive. The only thing is I bought it in grey because I am obsessed with grey. However, some of my plant potters in my garden are like a terracotta colour, so I'm not sure if this is going to go. I'm going to try it out. If not, I might go back and get the terracotta ones, because they did have terracotta and they had grey and they had like a charcoal black, but for £1 I just thought that was amazing. These ones and these ones, you get 2 for £1. They're just a bit smaller and I just thought they were really cute. They can go either side of my bedding plants, and yeah, I just thought those were really cute. Again, I picked up them in grey, but I'm going to see what they look like and yeah, see how I get on with it. But £1 and you get 2 of them. So I see these plant potters on everybody's YouTube channel recently and I was dying to get my hands on them. However, I didn't get the colour I wanted, but I still really like what I got. And it is these like hanging pots. They are so nice. They're £1 each. I bought 2 and they've just got Wilson Gregory Gardening Specialist garden bucket on it. But I just thought over the edge of the fence, flowers popping out, growing down, I just thought these would look really nice, and for £1 I just thought you can't go wrong. They're so nice, and again a little feature in my garden. And I bought 2 of those to go on either side of the fence. So the next thing I picked up, I've just realised it's like the front here is quite wobbly, but it's just this clock. Again, £1 for this clock. I thought it was such a bargain. It's just a battery operated clock, and I just thought it'd look really nice on the wall outside, and also it'd be nice to be able to tell what the time is when you're sitting out in the garden. So yeah, it's just this terracotta colour, but if you have a look, this little bit here is a bit wobbly. I might be able to tighten it, but yeah, there were a lot in the shop that actually this part was broke, so maybe they got a fault with them, but yeah, I might be able to tighten it anyway. Right, so next thing I picked up, I am obsessed. Now, I see these in B&M and Tesco's and Homebase and places like that, and they cost a fortune. When I saw them in Primark, I thought, I've got to have them. Got to have them. And it is these LED lights. Woo, I nearly dropped one. It is these LED lights, and they're just solar panel lights at the top. And what caught my eye was these light up different colours. I've got loads and loads of lights in my back garden, but I've got none in my front garden. And I've got some stepping stones that come down to my front door. And I just thought these would look so nice either side of the stepping stones. So when someone comes to the house in the evening, we've got like a little lit up walkway to come down to my front door. I just thought that was so nice. These light up different colours. I think they're yellow, green, blue and red. So yeah, I thought that was really nice. I picked up 6 of those because for 6 of those it was £6. Now if you go into B&M even and places like Tesco's and Homebase and things like that, these were like £15 for a box. So I just thought £6, I've got 6 of them and they're going to look really, really nice in my front garden. So the next thing I picked up was this lawn feed liquid. Now my garden at the minute in places is not growing very well, and I just thought I'm going to try this one out. 600 millilitres for the price of 500 millilitres. So you get an extra 20% on that one. And I just thought I'd try that one out and see how I get on with it. So I'll leave a little comment in the description bar, because if this is good stuff, you might as well go out and buy this, because it is quite expensive for this stuff in the shops. And I saw it in Poundland and I thought I might as well try it. So the next thing I picked up is so random, but it's one of those things that you need in your house. I have been doing a bit of DIY around my house, and things I've been using, just trying to use to get my DIY done, is just ridiculous. So I picked up this screwdriver. It is basically a ratchet screwdriver set. So you just get the screwdriver bit here, and then you've got laser attachments to go with it. And I just thought, I need something like this in my house. And the amount of times I've been into Primark and seen something like this and not picked it up, and then come back home, done something in the house and thought, why didn't I pick it up? So I picked this one up and I just bought it for £1. That is amazing. You get so many attachments. You get 10 screw attachments to go with it, which I thought was just really, really good and just so handy to have around your house. Trust me. I saw these in Poundland and I just thought you get 6 loads of seeds, and I just thought I'm doing my garden, I want to make it look nice and plant these. So you get it says approximately 300 seeds, ideal to grow with children. Now, I've got the grandchildren coming around this weekend, so I thought with all these plant pots and stuff like that, they can help me just plant some seeds. And yeah, so I thought 6 sachets in there, which is really, really good, and they're really pretty. You get candy tuft, poppies, cornflower, morning glory, nigella, and a sunflower seed. So it just looks like this. I'm gonna focus. If I plant them with the kids, it just gives them something to do in the garden on Saturday. So the next thing I picked up is so cute. I saw these and fell in love. They're just little mini solar lights, and I just thought underneath like the hanging baskets or something like that. And yeah, just little mini solar lights. Actually, when I lit them up in the shop, they are so bright. So I just thought they'd look really cute underneath my little hanging baskets or on the side of the fence. And for £1 each, I just thought they were really, really cute and really affordable. So yeah, they're going to look really nice in my garden. So I've been trying to get some lights to go underneath my cupboard, and I found these LED lights, and basically you stick them underneath the cupboard and then you press the button in the middle and it just turns them on and off. And I just thought this was so ideal. They're battery operated. You need 3 AAA batteries for these, and you've got 3 little LED lights in them. Where was we? My friend's son just come down, and I hate filming in front of people. If you hear any noise, it is because Tilly is literally in the bag underneath me right now. That's why I wanted to introduce her to you, because you're probably going to wondering what all the noise was going on. So I wanted to get some stuff to go on the wall outside in the garden, and I saw this and I just thought this was so nice. Let me just move that bit out of the way. I just thought this was so nice, and it basically says, what I love the best about my home is who I share it with, and I share it with my son. So I just thought that was really fitting, and it just looks like this, but it's just like this grey slate, and I just thought it looked really nice hanging outside on the wall. I might even put it outside the front, because then people can like read it. So I don't know, I'll see how it looks. And I saw this one and I thought, why not? It's just a bit of me really, and it is just this dustpan and brush. When I do my garden and we've mowed the grass, swept it up, I realised I never have anything to pick the grass up with, and I just thought a little dustpan and brush, and it was only £1, and I just think this is really cute. It's got like little diamantes, the actual brush head. That's just going to come in so handy. The next thing I picked up is these white frames, and they're 20 by 25 centimetres, and like I said, they're just a white frame, and there's a reason for picking these up, and it is because I saw these and I absolutely fell in love with them, and I just thought I could use these and put them in here like this, and I'm going to have them going up the wall. So the reason I picked these up is not because of this one here, which says, I ain't your hun. That's not really a bit of me, but I just picked these up because I love this one here. Excuse my nails, by the way, I need to get them done. So I love this one here, I love this one here, and this one here. And I just thought those 3 going upstairs towards the landing I just thought they'd brighten up the home a little bit, and for £1 I just thought these were really good. These are 8 by 10 inch posters, and I just wanted to stick them in here. I just thought they're going to look really, really nice. And for £2 you've got a picture and a frame. I've seen on other people's hauls that they had different ones in there, but in my Poundland they only had this one, and they had loads of them in Bedford. So if you want to get your hands on these, good little bargain. Right, so that was everything I picked up from Poundland. So I'm on my B&M haul. I didn't really get that much, but I did buy some flowers. So obviously I'm not going to put flowers on here and show you all the flowers I've got. But I have got a little bag down here that I want to show you guys. But I did go down the cleaning aisle, guys. You know what I'm like in B&M? I just hit that cleaning aisle like no one's business. And I just picked up, you know what your girl does. I always pick up Lenore or Comfort or anything like this. And I saw this and I just bought extra free. You're going in my basket, and I smelt it and it smells amazing. It is so, so nice. I picked up the sparkling blue and yellow poppy. I am not joking, this stuff, I'm just like, I'm obsessed. And you won't believe how much this cost me. For a big old bottle like this, 33 washes, and it cost me £1.99. So I just thought that was so, so good, and it does smell amazing. Again, down the cleaning aisle is just this 2-in-1 bold. I love bold because obviously it's got a bit of Lenore in it as well for freshness. And yeah, the one I picked up was Gold Orchard, and this does 24 washes. And I just love the smell of this as well. It's just so nice. And I think it's because it's got like Lenore freshness in it. When it comes out of your washing machine and it's hanging out either on the clothes horse or out on the line, it just smells so, so fresh. And this big old bottle was only £2.99. Again, down the cleaning aisle, just picked up a bit of bleach. I always get this in B&M. It is 39p. And you can't go wrong with that really, but I always get this up in B&M. They do this yellow one, which is like a citrus sort of scent, and then they just do original as well. So yeah, for 39p, it says it's 24 hours germ release. So you got my back. You got my back. Oh my god, I've just realised what is leaking in my bag, and it is this stuff. Now this is new in B&M. It's 4-in-1 action. It's basically like the Sephora, and it's called Fabulosa or Fabulosa, and it's just a concentrated disinfectant. I've got so many Sephoras in my cupboard, and this was £1, and it's bigger than the Sephora one, and for £1 I just thought it was okay. So 220 millilitres in this. I picked up the Tranquil Haze, and to be fair, I didn't need any more of this. Like I said, I've got loads in my cupboard, but oh, I smelt this and it just smells, oh, it's just so nice. It's so, so fresh. The smell is so fresh, and that's what I like. You see, it kills 99.9% bacteria. It cleans and shines because you can use it on your work surfaces and everywhere else, and it eliminates odours. So yeah, long lasting freshness. Next thing I picked up, I have been needing this for so long, but I haven't been able to get my hands on it, and it's just this Dishmatic refills. Now I've got like the actual handle bit, and all you do is take the old one off and put a new one on. And again, these were £1, and you get 2 in a pack. These are, if you don't know what a Dishmatic is, basically the little handle bit, you can unscrew it and you can put washing up liquid in it. So the reason I like these is because I don't like to get my hands wet. I don't like wearing gloves. So yeah, these just come in really, really handy because you don't get your hands so wet when you're washing up. But yeah, all you do is you put the washing up liquid inside the handle and you're good to go. It just comes out the little sponge applicator here and washes all you do. So we're coming to the last little bits in the bag now. I've only got literally 3 items left. But I picked up these. Cotton wool, I needed these for ages. I normally go in Primark and get mine, but I got these for 150 and there was 149, which I thought wasn't too bad at all. And I like the oval pads, so nothing to say about them really. They're just cotton wool pads. I love using these to take my makeup off. And 149. So I'm coming to the last little items in my bag, but I've left the best till last. I picked up is this. I mean, what can I say, guys? Look how beautiful this is. It's basically a plant pot hook. So basically, you know your little plant pots that you got in the garden, you hook this over the corner. I think there's there's a picture on the back. So you basically hook it over a plant pot. My porch at the front comes out a little bit. There's like a lip at the top, and I just thought this would look really pretty hanging over the top. And there's a reason I picked up this one, and it is because Oh, sorry, I did tell you the price of this one. It was £2.99. And isn't that good for £2.99? Look how beautiful the detail is on that. So, so pretty. So I have left the best till last because, and I can't wait to put this up I'm going to put this up today and it is going to look amazing. And it is this. Are you kidding me, guys? Look at that. Look at the detail. It's so, so pretty. I've not seen anything. I've seen these, but I've seen them smaller. But I managed to get this size. Look, it's like the size of my head. It's bigger than my head. The detail is amazing. And you're not going to believe it. It was £4.99. Now, I've seen these, but it's smaller. And the smaller ones are like £5, £6. So for £4.99, you just can't go wrong. That is amazing, and I can't wait to get this up today. So that concludes the video today, guys. That is everything I picked up. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. I've got another video coming next week, which is come shopping with me. I'm not going to tell you where it is. I'm going to leave that as a surprise. Yeah, I'll see you all in the next video, guys. I love you all. See you soon. Bye.